are live. I'm gonna be back soon. So, are we live? Yeah, we are live. So, welcome back. 4 a.m. trading, 5 a.m. trading, whatever. In this super short live stream, I just wanna show you what I've found in the charts. I mean, everybody's seen it, but just in case you didn't see it yet, let me show you two things. BTC and Ethereum, they both had a falling wedge like this. I mean, it's pretty obvious, and they both broke out. So this is Ethereum. On the 1 hour chart, we need 10 more minutes to close the hourly candle above this trend line. And this is quite safe to trade, actually. If you want to be 100% sure, you connect the wicks like this, and you wait until break out of this upper trend line, resistance line. But this is too much. So the falling wedge formation on Ethereum broke out, and it's beautiful. But I would be quite careful because we had a huge support line. Let me go to the 4 hour chart. So on Ethereum, we see this huge 4 hour support line. We broke down, and actually that's quite bearish. So the target might be somewhere around this area, 2,500 something. Doesn't mean it will happen tomorrow, but this is a quite big sign of a breakdown. However, we might just continue upwards if this falling wedge plays out well. So, at least what we can expect from this falling edge, I mean, this can be a beginning of a breakdown, but the falling wedge might bring us up to the retest of this support line. You see this huge support line that we broke, and now we are breaking down basically. But with the help of this falling wedge, we might see something like this. Like retest of it and before we continue down, or we don't go down again, we just retest it, form a higher low, and then shoot up. This is also possible, but as of now we broke and we can trade it. I'm not opening a long position yet because first of all I want to see a 1 hour candle close above this resistance line of the upper line of the falling wedge, and then probably I will open a small position, because what we usually see is that the price goes up a little bit, then makes a retest, and then forms a higher low, and then it shoots up. And all the while it will like create a double bottom. So I will probably wait for the retest to open a long trade around here, so on the retest. Not just I will not open the trade at the same moment where the price touches this line. No, I will wait for a confirmation, meaning that the price goes down to this line, then goes up. Then I want to see right here some bullish candles, patterns, for example a big engulfing candle, and then we can open a long trade. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and then wait for the retest and then open a long, quite surely. So this is for Ethereum. Let me see if you have some questions. If you have questions or suggestions, let me know. So on the Bitcoin, let me remove everything. Bitcoin is just the same. We broke out of a falling wedge, but the falling wedge is you know there's a falling wedge and a falling wedge. Okay, this is difficult to let me, you know what, let me just go to another chart and maybe on Bitfinex. Let's go to Bitfinex. Okay, so the falling wedge on Bitcoin. Let's go to 1 hour. So it looks like this. This is the upper line of the 1 hour chart. We have the resistance line and we have the bottom of the wedge, and we broke out. 5 more minutes to go to confirm it on the 1 hour chart, but I think it's quite sure that we're gonna close here. On the 30-minute and 15-minute, obviously we already closed it. So yeah, it's beautiful. And now we can trade it. I'm already in a long position. I will show you. I already took a little bit of profit. It's not big position like always. I'm just testing my strategies before I go big. But anyways, this is a good time, good moment to open the long position based on the 15 and 30 minutes. Let's actually go to 15. Yeah, it looks good. It looks very good. Also, let's go to 1 hour and take a look at market cipher / liberator and the RSI. So the RSI is a little bit bearish. We see a divergence, I believe. Let me wait. Let me change to RSI focus chart. So I believe there was a divergence somewhere on the RSI. Yeah, it looks a little bit diverging because we have a higher high on the RSI but lower high yet on the price. But we may just continue go higher in the next 10, 15, 30 minutes, and then the bearish divergence will disappear. It's not confirmed yet. The bearish divergence will only be confirmed if we go down and retest these levels. And the bearish divergence, which is a lower high on price and higher high on RSI, this bearish divergence might take us down for the retest. So because it's a bullish breakout, you see we broke this beautiful resistance line. Because it's a bullish breakout, the bearish divergence, it will probably not not break this breakout. It will just make us go sideways like this before we eventually go up. And then we will create a higher low most probably, and we will have a kind of a double bottom like this. They always look like sunglasses to me, you see. Look like sunglasses. I love my job. So anyways, I slept for 4 hours and I'm stupidly slow. Yeah. So yeah, breakout of the bullish falling wedge is in. We have a bearish divergence, but it will only make us go sideways for a bit, nothing more, I guess. So let me show you real quick my position. Before that, let me see if you have some comments, questions. No questions. So let me show you real quick. So I have, I think you cannot see anything on my binary chart. Let me remove everything. So I had a couple of positions. I compound on it. I added to it. I actually opened a long trade somewhere around here, in the middle of it, because I saw it breaking out, and I also saw a trend line right here on the 5 minute being broken. Right here I saw this trend line, you see, on the 5 minute. I saw it breaking, and then right here I opened the trade, and then I just added to it and took some profit. And then we created a double bottom, which is playing out right now. We just hit the first target of this double bottom. Oh, very beautiful, very beautiful. Oh, so yeah, that's it basically. Let me see if you have some questions. If you have some questions or suggestions, let me know. Anyways, let me make a little recap what happened to Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum is breaking out. I think I should add more. I should open the trade right now. Anyways, let me recap real quick. Falling wedge, which is bullish on 1 hour on Ethereum, broke up beautifully. I didn't open a trade yet because I'm waiting for a retest, and then I will open it. Down here will be a better position. I might be opening a small position right here just to get in, but I'm still waiting. And on the Bitcoin chart, we have the same situation basically. We have a falling wedge which broke out, and I'm waiting for a new double bottom to appear right here. We have also a bearish divergence, possibly on Bitcoin right here. We have lower high on the price and higher high on RSI, but it will only make us go sideways like I drew here, and then we shoot up. That's what I believe. So I really believe. Okay, let me see, maybe I can add to my position already. I'm not sure. Oh no, I didn't want to go. This is going to be a beautiful double bottom. Let me go to 1 hour. It's going to be a very beautiful double bottom. Wow, look at this baby. Look at this baby. From here to here. way too much chaos for you probably. Okay, let me remove everything for a moment. So look at this beautiful, super beautiful double bottom that we are about to create. If we smash through it, this is the neckline. This is the neckline. If we just smash through it right now, it will be perfect. Then we just wait for a retest and up. But it looks like we are being rejected right here. We're gonna do something like this. So yeah. Maybe I should take a look at XRP and Cardano. Okay, Ethereum broke out of the falling wedge, Bitcoin as well. BNB is healthy for $422. Wow! This is a quick change, 6%. Just hours ago it was under 400. Okay, what about XRP? Oh, I think XRP is waiting for us. Completely ignored XRP. Let's try and see what we can see. Also, just broke out just now. Just broke out. Wow. So on XRP we have this beautiful support line, we have this beautiful resistance line, and no, we didn't, technically on the 1 hour we didn't break out yet. We just, the current 1 hour candle on XRP is trying to break out. It didn't break out yet. But we also had a little double bottom here. I think it's more obvious on 15 minutes. Let me go to 15 minutes. So it's a little double bottom on XRP which broke out. And, right now we're about to break out of this. And then we also will create a new double bottom, something like this, if we continue upwards. But it looks beautiful anyway. Let me think. Do I wait for the 1 hour close, or am I confident with the 15-minute close above this trend line? Oh, actually it's 15 minutes, it wasn't 1 hour. No, it was the 1 hour. So okay, the 15 minute didn't break above it confidently yet. What about the volume? Do we see more volume? So let's take a look at VPVR. Can use VPVR, which is I forgot something, volume, range, pivot, something. Anyways, it can show us where are the biggest resistance or price action lines. Like right here, for example, is big price action. You can see it. Also right here. So we're probably gonna go up at least to these levels, these levels. 2.8% up. Let's see what market cipher or market liberator tells us on XRP. Okay, before I do that, take a look at my long. Okay, all good. Let's look at Ethereum. Wow, very beautiful. We're probably gonna get some rejection from this 15 or 50 EMA on 1 hour. Looks like we are making a little break here. Go down, and on the retest I want to buy. So, okay, back to XRP. On 1 hour, wow, XRP looks amazing on 1 hour. Okay, I'm gonna need to change my title. So, XRP, to me, it really looks amazing. Really. I don't know about you, but to me, this money flow, red money flow, curving up, is looking very good. Also, the momentum waves going upwards, and VWAP is way up on 1 hour, and we have a bullish breakout. Almost. We need to. We need hope. We need hope that the 1 hour closes above it. I think right now it's a little bit risky to open the trade because we are still in the red zone. We are still in the red money flow, which means that we'll probably not shoot up just like this. We might go down a little bit, and then right in these levels, in the next few hours, we will probably see some curving up into the green area on the 1 hour, and then it's gonna be a massive pumping, coinciding with the breakout of this structure. What is it? Is it a symmetrical triangle? Is it a... Okay, XRP. Is it a... I'm not sure actually. Looks just... Yeah, looks like a symmetrical triangle. Okay. I don't think it's a falling wedge or something, because might be a falling channel. Yeah. Maybe a falling channel. But anyways, symmetrical triangle looks better to me. So XRP is going down a little bit. Seems like it didn't break out yet. And to me, it says that Bitcoin is probably doing the same right now. Let's check. So let's go to Bitcoin. It's so messy. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, Bitcoin is up and well. It just broke out. It's very healthy. Probably gonna be rejected by this what is it, daily line or something? No, it's a trend line. Just connected all the previous lows from the 12th August 9th August and 7th August. Look, this thick line. It was a support, but then right now it's a rejection, a resistance line. So anyways, Bitcoin is very healthy right now. The breakout looks very healthy. We closed a clean, huge, let me make sure. This candle right here, the hourly candle. Okay, let me redraw it. So this is the resistance line. We broke above it. The hourly candle is very strong above it. Actually, let me see what's up with the volume. How was the volume? Okay, the volume was okay, but no problem. Anyways, the breakout looks healthy to me. Probably we're gonna retest it, like I said right now, like this, and then go up. I already have some limit buy orders right here. Not much, because I'm learning, but so I have some limit orders in case Bitcoin tries to retest it right here. And yeah, we'll see. Okay, let's see. We have some questions or suggestions. One thing I want to look at, or actually a couple of things: Ethereum BTC and Ethereum Cardano. Let's see. Yes, Ethereum BTC broke down and it's continuing down. It had a symmetrical triangle. The target is, what's the target? Yeah, the target is either the height of it, of the symmetrical triangle, which would be right here, or you can take the pole if you look at it as a bullish, as a flag, then the target would be way down. So, with other words, what happened right now is, let me go to 4-hour chart. So, the Bitcoin Ethereum chart is looking like this. We had this resistance line, we broke above it, and then Ethereum started to gain some momentum in terms of BTC, and then it built this symmetrical triangle, and now it's trying to break down. And that means probably I should sell my Ethereum for Bitcoin, but I'm not doing it. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. Okay, also interesting is Cardano Ethereum. Why? Because I like Cardano more than I like Ethereum. So I'm thinking about selling Ethereum for Cardano, swapping it. Let me take a look at my position, at your comments. No. Okay, I'm probably gonna add to my title since I'm talking about Cardano. I've talked about XRP already. If you want to see it, it looks amazing if it breaks out. Um, Let me go real quick back to XRP and show you why it's amazing. It's amazing because on on the 15 minutes we are about to break out of this symmetrical triangle on XRP. And not only that, we also have market cipher or market liberator, money flow curving up on 1 hour. Very nicely, you see the red, right? So this is why I think it's amazing. And I think Cardano should be looking amazing as well. I'm so sure. Yeah, look at this. It's just beautiful. If Bitcoin continues going up, I'm gonna see some upwards movement. Why I think it's amazing? Because we had some big green money flow right here, which stopped right here on the 1 hour. Then it curved back up again. So curved back up. Also our momentum waves, we have snake eyes right here. We have 2 momentum waves, and we have a small momentum wave. So after this we usually see a pump. And VWAP is way up, and I'm pretty sure if we try to draw some lines right here on Cardano, we're gonna see some. Yeah, we're gonna see some stuff breaking out. Okay, what can we draw on Cardano? What kind of flags? Okay, let me go to 4 hour first. So, yeah, on 4 hour we have this resistance line. Obvious. It looks like XRP actually. Pretty much we have. Yeah, we can draw this line from here, or we can do it from here. Anyways, it looks good. We have 40 minutes to go to close this 4 hour candle, but this 4 hour candle looks amazing. Why? Everything looks amazing, but that's the way it is. Because this is a engulfing candle. It engulfs the previous one. It's bigger than the previous bearish one. Not only that, we had a move upwards from here on the 4 hour. We went up, then we had some indecisiveness right here, and then we had a beautiful big engulfing 4 hour candle. If it closes above the previous candle, then I think it's pretty sure that we will almost immediately see some upwards movement and break out of this 4 hour triangle. And so why is Cardano looking very good? Why do I think that we are gonna break above it? Because the engulfing candle, number one, and number two, because of money. Okay, wait. I'm on the 4 hour chart. We are thick in the green. Looks good actually. Okay. And if we go now on the 15-minute chart, I'm pretty sure we're gonna find something beautiful here as well. For instance, okay, so I think on the 15-minute chart some crack. Actually, Is it me or is it low volume on Kraken? Or am I stupid? Yeah, I am stupid, I know, but okay, let's change real quick to USDT on Binance. No, they look the same, all good. So on the 15-minute chart we can draw this beautiful trend line which we broke above. So this is another reason to be happy about Cardano. Look, every time these lines get broken, we see some nice movement, potentially. Okay. The momentum doesn't look perfect yet. It's not above 60. We want to see it above 60 because if on Market Cipher or Market Liberator, if the momentum wave is above 60, it tends to stay 60, 70, it tends to stay up there. So we're gonna have to hope that it goes up. But this trend line has been broken, and I expect something like this to happen with Cardano. But I don't trade Cardano yet because it would be too stressy to trade Cardano, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let me see if you have some questions. No. Alright, let me go back to Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let me see if I... No, on Ethereum I'm still waiting for the retest right here. Didn't open anything yet. Okay, on Bitcoin. About Bitcoin. Yeah, we're still looking healthy. I also wait for the retest to scale my position, scale up. And probably XRP looks very interesting. I gotta watch XRP. If we break decisively, if we break decisively above this trend line, it's gonna be good. Right now it's kind of indecision time. And the momentum wave on the 15 minutes is curving down. We have a red dot. So probably I'm gonna see some snaking around this trend line. It's gonna snake around it for a bit and then go up. So right now, to open a trade, I see no real reason yet. Let's double check this double bottom on 15 minutes. Remove it. So here it's only 1 hour. I think it looks better. Yeah, in 1 hour it looks the double bottom. It's a little bit ugly double bottom, but we work with what we have. Okay, so I'm closing this live stream. Let me see if we have some final questions. So, Bitcoin looking good and healthy. I wait for the retest to scale my position. This retest right here. The same with Ethereum. I'm waiting for the retest so I can open a long trade. Right now, I don't open the trade because it's not the perfect position. the entry would not be perfect if I open the trade right now, and it's obviously looking like it wants to retest this upper side of the falling wedge. So yeah, I'm waiting for the retest on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, Cardano I don't trade, and XRP I'm waiting for the breakout. So that's it. Thank you very much for your attention, and I see you very soon.